Good morning, folks. I am Himanshu Dusani, and today we are continuing our chapter Arithmetic Progression. So, in earlier classes, we have seen what is arithmetic progression, what is first term, what is common difference, and what is nth term of an AP. Now, today we will see some of the problem based on the earlier concept and the new concept of some of the n terms of arithmetic progression. Let us start our lecture. Sum of first n terms of an AP. So the topic is sum of first n terms of AP. Here first term is A plus D, A plus 2D and so on, A plus n minus 1 into D. A is A1, A plus D is A2, A3 and An. Now we have to find out the sum. For the sum we are using the formula S is equal to n by 2 twice of A plus n minus 1 into D. Where A is the first term, n is the number of terms, D is the common difference and S is the sum. So, sum can also be given by n by 2 first term plus last term. So we have to use these two formulas to identify the sum of n terms of arithmetic progression. Let us see the question based on this formula. I am taking example number 11. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP. This is example number 11. N is given 22 terms. First 22 terms means n is equal to 22. Of an arithmetic progression 8, 3, minus 2, dash. So arithmetic progression is given to us 8, 3, minus 2, dash dash dash, n is 22. Here this is A first term, this is A2. Common difference D is A2 minus A1, which is 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8 will be minus 5. D is equal to minus 5, A is equal to 8 and n is equal to 22. Substituting the values in the formula, n by 2 twice of A plus n minus 1 into D. Putting the values, 22 by 2 twice of A is 8 plus n is 22 minus 1 into D. D is nothing but D is equal to minus 5. Now further solving this, will get cancelled out. 11, 2 8 16, plus into minus, minus 22 into 22 minus 1 will be 21. 21 into 5. 5 is 5. 5 to the 10. 1 0. Now subtracting this. 15 minus 6 will be 9, and 9 minus 1 will be 89 into 11, and minus sign of this, so we will be getting minus 979. Minus 979. So the sum of first 22 terms is minus 979. So in this manner we have to solve using the formula. Now let us move to the next question. Example number 15. Find the sum of first 24 terms of the list of numbers whose nth term is given by an is equal to 3 plus 2n. Now let us see how we can solve this. Find the sum of first 24 terms, means n is equal to 24. This is question number 15. Whose nth term means an is given by 3 plus 2n. An is equal to given 3 plus 2n, and we have to identify the sum of first 24 terms. Now a1 means n is equal to 1. At a1 n is equal to 1, so a1 will be 3 plus 2 into 1. 3 plus 2 will be 5. a2 is equal to, means n is equal to 2. 3 plus 2 into 2. 2 into 2 will be 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Now similarly we will going to find in 24. Till 24 we have to identify 24. So n will be 24. A24 is equal to 3 plus 2 into 24. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 plus 3. So this will be 8 plus 3 will be 11, 51. So A24 is 51. Now let us find out common difference. D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. Now writing the formula for sum, n by 2 twice of a plus n minus 1 into d. Substituting the values, we have to find out the sum of first 24 term. So n is equal to 24. 24 by 2 twice of a is 5 plus n minus 1, n is 24 minus 1, d is 2. Solving this, we will be getting 12 plus 2 into 5 is 10 plus 23 into 2, 46. So this will be 12 into 56. So 12 into 56, it is coming 672. 672. 2. So the sum is 672 of the first 24 terms when the an is given 3 plus 2n. Now let us move to the next question. The question is from exercise 5.3. Question number 3. Exercise 5.3, question number 3. Ninth part. Given that a is equal to 3, n is equal to 8, S is equal to 192, and we have to identify D. Common difference we have to identify. Sum is given 192. We know the formula for sum is S is equal to n by 2 twice of A plus n minus 1 into D. Substituting the values, 192 plus 192 is equal to 8 upon 2, 2 into A is 3 plus n is 8 minus 1 into D. D we have to identify. Solving this will be 4. 192 divided by 4 is equal to 2 3 is 6. 8 minus 1 will be 7. D. Cancel out with this. 2 2s are 2 9s are 18. 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16. So 48 is equal to 6 plus 7D. Taking 6 here, 7D is equal to 48 minus 6. 7D is equal to 42. D is equal to 42 by 7, which is 6. So the common difference D is equal to 6. So in this manner we have to identify the values, missing values. Now let us move to the next question, word problems from the exercise 5.3. Word problems, question number 6. The first and the last term of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? Question number 6 says, this is question number 6. The first and the last term of an AP is 17 and 350 respectively. First term 17 and 350 respectively. First term is A and AN. This is A1 and this is AN. First term and last term is given to us. If the common difference D is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? Here we will be using two formulas of sum. first formula, S is equal to n by 2 twice of A plus n minus 1 into D. And we also know that this sum is equal to n by 2 first sum plus last sum. Now substituting the values, n by 2 first sum is 17 and last sum is 350. This n by 2 will get cancelled out with this n by 2. The remaining term will be twice of A. A is 17 plus n minus 1 into D is 9. So not be having this n by 2. 2 sevens are 14, 2 ones are 2 and 3 plus n minus 1 into 9 is equal to 7, 6, 3, 367. Now taking 34 in the right hand side, n minus 1 into 9 is equal to 367 minus 34, which is equal to 3, 3, 3. Now further solving this, n minus 1 is equal to 333 by 9. So 111 upon 3. Taking this minus 1 over there, n is equal to 111 upon 3 plus 1. So this will be 111 plus 3 by 3, 114 by 3, 3 3s are 9, 2, 8 4s are 24. So 38. N is equal to 38. N is equal to 38 is the required answer. Now let us move to the next question. Question number 13 of the same word problem. Find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. Find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. This is question number 13. Find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. Means n is given 15 and so multiple of 8 will be 8, 16 and so on. So first term will be 8. D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is 16. A1 is 8. 16 minus 8 will be 8. Now writing the sum formula. S is equal to n by 2 twice of A plus n minus 1 into D. Substituting the values, n is 15 by 2 twice of A is 8 plus n minus 1, 15 minus 1 into D. D is 8. Now solving this, 15 by 2, 2 into 8 will be 16 plus 14 into 8. 14 into 8, 8 4s are 32, 8 is a 8, 1 1 2, 16, 15 by 2. Adding these two, will be getting 15 by 2, 8, 2 and 1. Further solving this will get cancelled out. 15 into 64. 15 into 64 will be 5 4s are 20, 6 5s are 30, 2, 64. So this will be 6, 9. 960. So the sum will be 960. In this manner we have to solve the questions. So I hope you got the ideas how we can solve the problems for the given sum formula. Thank you.